Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your TikTok video quality problem. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check if you have a weak unstable connection, which causes TikTok to reduce quality to prevent upload failure. So in order to go ahead and do so, try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data, which could go ahead and help you out. If that still doesn't, simply go ahead and open your settings and then scroll all the way down to general and scroll all the way to transfer or reset iPhone. Simply go ahead and click on reset and then click on reset network settings, which should go ahead and fix your problem. If that is not the case, then you want to simply go ahead and allow high quality uploads on the TikTok settings. In order to do so, open your TikTok application, click on your profile icon, click on the top right triple lines menu and click on settings and privacy. This is where you want to simply go ahead and look for data saver and make sure this is turned off first. And then finally, what you want to do is simply go ahead and head to Then you want to simply go ahead and click on the plus icon and then add a photo or video, whatever you want to post. And then on the final page right over here, you want to go to more options and make sure that high quality uploads are turned on. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.